shut the fuck up.
You idiot! You're fucking delusional as fuck, Daddy! Get the fuck back here! And whatever crack you're fucking smoking, I want some! Listen to the words coming out of my mouth! Fuck you! Are you fucking high? Are you fucking high? Are you fucking high? Fuck you, teacher!
Fuck yourself!
It'll fuck you up for life.
He looks like a retarded donkey.
Go and fuck yourself. Go and fucking crawl in the dirty, dank little hole where you fucking come from, you dirty, dragon-eating little fucking spastic.